The whole thing that happened here is very simple. Here is a 3.5 kVA 24-volt system. Now we have two batteries here. So in the first place, you can ask yourself, how do you know? How do you come about two batteries? If you check here, you see 24. So yes, of the battery here, each battery is 12 volts. Now your battery have negative and positive. You understand? So you have terminal one, which is positive, terminal two, negative, terminal one, positive, this one also negative. So you arrange the battery. Negative to positive is series connection. We want to build this battery so that they can give us 24 volts. So from here here you have positive. So you connect this battery here, this positive here to this one here. Can you see it back? You link it here to this point, this negative. So this negative. Now, if you measure it, you see we are now having 24 volts, which means you can power this inverter. But if it's less than 24 volts, it will not power the inverter. So this is the first connection. You get it now. So you have two terminals left, negative and positive. So this one is where you connect your inverter to your battery. So when you come to this battery, this inverter, this thing, you see where the light, you see it here, positive, negative, positive, negative. So for these two batteries now, the two terminals that is left, you do what? You take the negative to negative, positive to positive. That is all. Now come for the input connection, the one that will charge you this battery. You suppose you can just take it from here direct to pass through this breaker, such that it will not just go directly into your system. So here you tap it from this place down to this place. This is the input breaker. You understand? So you have one red wire here, which is positive, that enters here, comes like this, enters here. So here you see, you always see labeling. You see this one here, L mean line, this one neutral, this one live, this neutral. So you see AC in, that is the charging. You see AC out, that is the output. So here you connect live and black. You come to this point, red and black, come to this point, you enter this breaker. But here now we are using just a single breaker, only live. You just break it. The neutral doesn't have problem. So here you have input and output breaker. So here is inverter, here is bypass. In case the inverter have issue, you can still have light. When we come here, there were no because they replaced this inverter with another one, but still we have light. It's because of this bypass. So the load now here, you connect your load here back to the seat. This is the load. This one that supply to the house. Both the bypass and this thing, the inverter.
So the question I want to ask now, is this also connected to NEPA?
No, all
It's
these wires
separation.
now, they are not connected to. They are, yes, NEPA is not supplying to it. But even if NEPA want to supply, it's through this place, bypass now. You understand? Because this wire now, that they are connected here, that is that it just a switch over between inverter and this thing and the NEPA.
Where is the NEPA?
So
Here
NEPA
is
now, yes, here this NEPA, here is NEPA, here
It's
is
better.
inverter.
Okay.
You understand? So any load, this one and this one here
This for
is
inverter
socket,
is
yes, socket. So
Lighting
lighting
point.
point, you join them
together.
together here.
But all these lighting points that are joined together now are not connected to NEPA. Abi?
They are connected to NEPA through here.
Okay.
You understand? But they are not getting their light now from this circuit breakers.
Okay. They are getting it
Directly from here, output from this place. This is where they are getting it.
Okay.
You understand? So they are not using circuit breaker. Like your socket, your lighting point, maybe your fridge, even AC, even if AC is connected to it. So it's not passing through this breaker to the house. It's through this load here that they are getting the output.
Okay, they are getting it directly from
from
NEPA.
yes, NEPA and the inverter.
That means NEPA can also be connected to the
Yes,
inverter wire directly
yes,
to the output.
yes, it's still connected to it through this bypass.
Okay, okay. Understand now.
Do you understand?
Yeah, before I was thinking you can't connect the inverter output